Hi, boys and girls. Today, for our lesson on multiplication, we are going to look at repeated addition. Repeated addition is when we are adding the number to itself a set number of times. So let's go to our practice work for today and see how we can use repeated addition. Now, we've already used it when we did arrays, and we've used it when we were doing equal groups. So now it's just a little bit more focused on the foundation of why repeated addition is a strategy for multiplication. Daniel eats 4 slices of pizza. Each slice has 4 pieces of pepperoni. How many slices of pepperoni does he eat? So we know that he has 4 slices, so I can draw those out. So let's just say that they were square slices. And on those slices, it says each slice has 4 pieces of pepperoni. So if I just draw 4 pepperonis here for each pizza, you might look at this and say that looks a lot like groups, and you're right, it kind of does look like groups when I'm drawing it out in picture form. Okay, and then we're asked to find how many slices of pepperoni does he eat. So we want to know the total number of slices of these little pepperoni pieces does he eat. So I might look at that and go, okay, I'm going to count them all up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And by doing that, you're counting by ones, but you're taking 4 from here and you're adding 4 more, and then you're going to add these 4, and then you would add these 4, and you would get to your answer that way. Okay? Now, we know that multiplication is also equal groups. So here I have 4 groups. So 4 groups. 4 groups. Okay, and those groups have 4 pepperonis. So I have 4 groups of 4 is. Okay, also they're both 16, right? So I could say 4 groups of 4. I could say 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. And I would write that as 4 times 4, okay? Because we are using multiplication, we are taking the same number and we are multiplying it to itself, okay? Or we're adding it to itself 4 times. There's the repeated addition, and that is going to equal 16. Let's look at another problem. So before we go down, let's just put in our final sentence here. So we know that Daniel ate 16 pieces of pepperoni. All right, Daniel ate 16 pieces of pepperoni. Mr. McPherson has 3 vitamins every day. How many vitamins does he take in 1 week? So I have 3 vitamins every day. How many do I take in 1 week? So I could set up my chart this way. I could say, well, every day of the week would be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm just going to put TH here. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, so if I take 3 vitamins every day, there's 3. So I'm just recording all my vitamins. We talked about it in another video, how important it is to show your work in different ways. So this is kind of setting it up in picture form. And again, if you look at it, you can kind of see that we have groupings here. I have every day represents a group. Okay, so if I was using repeated addition, I might think, okay, well that's 3, and then I'm going to add 3 more, and then I'm going to add 3 more, and I'm going to add 3 more, and I keep sounding like a broken record player, and I'm going to add 3 more, and I'm going to add 3 more, and I'm going to add 3 more. That's a lot of adding that we're doing here just to figure out our answer. But we know with with multiplication, it is repeated addition. So how many times do I repeat that 3? How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because there's 7 days in 1 week. So I'm really taking the number 3 and I'm adding it to itself 7 times, or 3 times 7. And when I add those values up, it's going to be 21. 21. So 7 groups of 3 pills or vitamins a day is 21. And if I was to write that in a final sentence, I would say, Mr. McPherson takes 21 vitamins each week. And there's my sentence for this problem. Okay, so when you are working on your multiplication, you now have 3 strategies that you can choose to use when you come to a problem that you aren't sure what the answer is. And even if I look at this one here, I'm still seeing an array. I see 3 rows of 7 vitamins. Okay, so all 3 are really interconnected with one another. One strategy is not really quicker than or better than another strategy. It just depends on your comfort level and what you feel most successful using. Again, I can't stress enough, when you are at home and you are looking for extra things to do, it's very easy. If let's just say you're setting the table for mom or dad tonight, it's very easy to have them just give you a multiplication question. Because if you can get these multiplication facts to memory, it will help you in the long run with your multiplication in so many areas of mathematics, especially as you are entering grades 4, 5, 6, and beyond. Good luck with your practice work, boys and girls. Keep up the hard work.